My name is Susian and I'm the head baker at the Cafe King, and today we'll be talking about the last step in the sourdough baking process, which is finally baking your dough. So we update regularly about kefir and sourdough content, so if you want to see more of those, please subscribe. Now your oven should be preheating at 230 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes now. If your oven isn't preheated, if it isn't hot enough, don't take your bread out of the fridge and score and bake, because a good hot temperature is quite necessary in order to get a good rise in your bread. Now place your bread into the oven at 230 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, lower the temperature to 210 degrees Celsius and continue baking for another 30 minutes. Now keep in mind that these temperatures are specific to our own oven, and every oven is different, so you should experiment, bake more, and find out which temperatures are perfect for your own oven. Now at the end of the baking, you should have a nice, beautifully brown loaf. When it is brown enough to your liking, take it out of the oven and leave it on a rack, that is a high rack, to cool. Now don't cut your bread open for at least 2 hours. You have to wait for it to cool down completely. Now I hope your bread turned out okay, but if it didn't, remember, it's alright. You really do have to expect to not do so well the first few times. And bread baking is something that is a skill that you'll acquire the more you bake. Thanks for watching the entire sourdough baking series. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. And well, we wish you very good luck in your sourdough baking journey. So if you're Malaysian and you'd like to give our bread a try, you can find us in the link in the description below. We actually deliver our bread to around the Klang Valley, and we also post to the states in West Malaysia. So yeah, give it a try, and we'll see you in the next video.